Even steak and roasted fish are now easily prepared in the kitchen. No need to flip. It cooks evenly. Frying that requires you to often flip. More convenient with automatic rotation. Frying that takes too long. Quicker with the IH method. Frying pan that fries here and there. Whole roasting makes it neater. Seasoned frying getting easily burned. Easier with a half-pressure non-stick rotation design. Struggle no more frying on a flame. Instead, cook with the Smart IH. The technical process patented IH induction cook food faster and tastier. Adjust temperature and time as desired. Convenient and cleaner with the inner pot automatic rotation method. Kitchen lifestyle where you can relax. Innovation. IHeorCOOK. Korean company that specializes in IH technology. PEACEWORLD. We possesses 100% made in Korea proprietary technology acquired via our in-house R&D center. Hold 20 patents in Korea and abroad. Hold about 100 pieces of intellectual property. Meticulous quality skills and technical prowess through a one-step system ranging from project planning to production. CLCUS verification in the US and Canada. CCC verification in China, PSE verification in Japan, patents from the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and elsewhere in Europe, international exhibits in the US, Japan, China, and elsewhere, exports to countries around the world, global technical prowess. We were the first to develop the Smart Under range, and it is the choice for about 600 famous restaurants in Korea. Hold source technology. The innovation of cooking created from IH technology, which is on a whole nother level. Faster with IH. Easier, tastier. AIRCOOK with IH. Leading innovation in cooking. IHeorCOOK. No complicated installation, just plug in the power cord. Must-have item that is always used in the kitchen. No heated wires. Patented IH induction method. The rotating inner pot is directly heated, reducing cooking time through innovation. Meats are crispy on the outside from the IH heating method, moist on the inside. Food doesn't end up dry from moisture escaping. The moisture and flavor are retained by the silicone packing. Convenient as there are no worries about smells, smoke, or oil sizzling out. Wring all the grease out automatically. Even steak and roasted fish are now easily prepared in the kitchen. No need to flip. It cooks evenly on its own. Adjust the temperature according to the dish. Adjust the rotation speed as desired. From meat to stir fry to cooking frozen food. Air fryer, oven, rotation cooking all in one. Conveniently done at the touch of a button. Conveniently cook without the need to stand in front of a hot flame. Connects with smartphone app that notifies the user beforehand when finished cooking. Easy and convenient without having to watch the cooking closely. Cooking completed. Large-scale drawer-type grease catch tray. Cleaning the coated inner pot is a snap. The innovation of cooking. Get it done, IHeorCOOK. Greetings! Welcome to AIRCOOK. Make delicious dishes with AIRCOOK.